If you're a Game of Thrones fan like me, then you need to visit Linen Mills Studios near Banbridge, Ireland. This is the home of the Game of Thrones Studio Tour, one of the main production spaces for the series. Now you can walk through the 75,000 square foot studio and experience this iconic moment from TV history all over again on an actual soundstage for the show. The tour starts with a short film about the series. You can't film in the theater, but as it ends, you'll have a moment to step through beyond the wall and meet the White Walkers and the Wildlings. This space really sets up the whole experience with either lifelike statues or mannequins wearing full costumes from the series. The highlight for me being the Night King, and then Woon Woon the Giant towering over everything in the room, even with arrows sticking out of him. The self-guided tour offers a peek at the series' production and how they developed the sets and locations with maps, images, and concept art. I absolutely loved getting the chance to see this huge map up close and taking a real peek. You also see some of the huge maquettes that they use to plan and create pivotal scenes in the series, giving you a big peek into the making of Game of Thrones. There are also videos throughout the rooms that will show you a deeper dive into the making of the series with key team members, giving you a really cool look at the production process. As you walk through, you'll also see scenes from the whole series, including this area that takes you back to Castle Black. And other rooms include the Stark's Winterfell home, there's Dragonstone, and King's Landing. I love how atmospheric they made every space and the mood that's like walking right onto set during filming and giving you a great look at how detailed all the elements were. Just look at all these little details on the costumes. While I love the props and the set pieces you get to see, the costumes are definitely the star of the show throughout most of this tour. At moments like this, I love seeing Melisandre's costume and this key scene with Jon Snow. It's often very easy to remember the exact moment in the series. Die-hard fans can definitely challenge themselves to see if they can name the season and even the episode that the props and costumes are from. One of my favorite rooms, although there are a few, was the Winterfell crypts with all of the funerary statues of the Stark family. Some of them are so well made, and you would almost imagine they're actually made out of stone. The Stark Great Hall is a big moment on the tour too, with more than 20 characters represented in this space. And that includes one of my favorite scenes that you'll see in a second. Really, just take in these costumes. This is the moment that really blew me away. But check out Brienne of Tarth being knighted by Jaime. It's so many little details. It is incredible, from the armor and the fabrics to the weapons. The Dragonstone space also has a number of the top costumes from the series. And, again, detail, but one of my favorite pieces is from a character that nobody likes, but King Joffrey's armor is absolutely jaw-dropping. The details here are incredible, from the simple crown to the lions, the belt, the greaves. Everything is incredible. You'll find quite a few interactive elements throughout the whole tour. I loved a lot of them, but this one was pretty cool, where you get to become the Lord of Bones or Kingsguard or Brienne of Tarth. Very cool little moment throughout the tour. One of the most absolutely jaw-dropping set pieces you get to see here is the Dragonstone map room. It's incredible to see this dragon wall, the intricate map table, and you'll also see dragon skulls in this space and Daenerys Targaryen's throne. The tour also shows how costumes, props, and visual effects were made for the series. You'll get a really cool deep dive here that gives you a great sense of how all these pieces come together for the show. And then they even have in the same room the prop bodies of Jaime and Cersei Lannister. They're laying here in state as if they had just died. It's one of those remarkable things that you see and go, whoa. it really looks like they're right there. I love the next two spaces. That includes the Hall of Faces and the Armory. If you want to, you can even do something a little creepy here. You can get your face put up on the pillar. So let's talk about prices and getting to the studio tour. You can drive to the studio and there's complimentary parking, or you can book your ticket with bus transfers to and from Belfast, or from Belfast to the studio tour and finishing in Dublin. Ticket prices start at £20 and they also offer special packages that are worth checking out. But you have to buy your tickets in advance, and I recommend purchasing at least 4 weeks in advance to avoid disappointment, especially during peak season, which is June, July, and August. The studio is just 30 minutes from Belfast and 90 minutes from Dublin, and you really should see more of the area when you're visiting. Check the description for links and more details, including my article on visiting the studio tour, and as well they host special events, so there's a lot more details there. Finishing the tour, you'll end up in the throne room as it looked from the end of the series, devastated and crumbling, with the Iron Throne and costumes for both Jon Snow and Daenerys. I love the atmosphere here. It's a spot you really need to get a selfie. Finally, you'll exit through the gift shop with a chance to buy some things to remember the show and this whole experience by, and you can even shop by your favorite house, so there's Stark stuff and everything else. And before you leave, you have to stop by the restroom. Maybe the best detail, you're leaving the bathroom and Tyrion is gonna get you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts in the comments. I'd be happy to respond. Let me know if you're planning to visit, if you're a huge Die Hard fan. And again, check the description for those links so that you can get more details on visiting.